In this lesson, I want you to sketch out an idea if you have or want to try something different with your design. But these are the sketches that I did one Sunday just to kind of get my idea of what I want it to look like. Is it going to have a hook? Is it going to have little latches? How much space? I've tried, different backings to see which one would fit best for the leash. You're just experimenting on paper first, and it's very quick to generate ideas, even if you can't really draw. Also did a little poop loop. I thought that'd be funny if it could hold it like a dog leash type thing. But I also wanted to make sure, that it could twist off. Those were just ideas I was having while drawing it. And, it's going to have the poop roll space too. And you can actually draw in Blender if you have a pen tablet. Just go into Blender and do 2D animation. And then this will give you the grease pencil, and you can just start drawing or just sketching out ideas with your mouse or with a pen tablet. And so, if anyone is interested in that, that's a fun way to quickly generate thoughts and ideas about your designs that you want to do. And you don't have to be great, it doesn't have to be an awesome design. It just has to be just flushing out ideas quickly. And I highly recommend it to anyone. So this is just the bag, coming out of his mouth. So I'm just thinking of, that could be funny. Pre-thinking space, okay, the roll's got to be able to fit inside of the neck. That could be a good place to hide that. We have to have a spindle, so I'm just kind of thinking out ideas in sketch form. So just wanted to showcase that. If anyone is interested in that, it can really, really help when you're prototyping new ideas. I know that everyone's probably just following along this tutorial, but I wanted to bring it up in case any of you have drawing potential or powers or just want to try it. I think it's very, very helpful for the brain. And this is just, I want to keep this 45 degrees so there's no supports. And once you've kind of got your drawing to a place that you like, you can always save it as a reference. Just hit F12, or you can go to the top left and go under render, and that will let you save a still frame of your sketches so you can use them inside of Blender. So just render image, and then it has rendered, but then we still need to save it. So we'll go image, save as, and save it to wherever you'd like. I'm going to create a new folder and call it sketches. And double click on that and just give it a name, call it dog sketch, anything you want, and save as. And there you go. So now you've got a quick sketch if you want to do it digitally. So let's go ahead and jump into the next lesson and keep on learning.